Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Tonoves, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So I will say my name is Lova Haite Volonsa Jessica Tonoves. So guys, in today's video we will be doing a comparison foundation. Yes, so I'd like to guys guess where is marykay and where is what do you call it again, Maybelline. Yes, we are going to be doing two foundation comparison. Yes guys, so one side of my face I'm going to put marykay, one side of my face I'm going to put Maybelline. So let me know in the comment section where you guys take before you continue watching it. Alright guys, so please make video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification when I upload a new video, and also like, share and comment. Guys, this eye look I did this Somerset cut crease, matte cut crease in a little bit of a twist. I already did a full video about this look and it's gonna be somewhere in the card, so let me know what you guys think about it. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I promise that you never be lonely. Makeup comparison between foundation comparison between Maybelline here, this Maybelline, and this Maybelline. This is marykay, so, and this Maybelline. So marykay on one side, Maybelline on the other side. So guys, I'm using my foundation brush to blend the marykay out. As I'm blending it, I'm seeing that it has like a yellow tone. It has like a yellow tone, so hopefully it's gonna be like, it's not gonna be weird. Alright guys, so I kept on blending it with my foundation brush to make sure that I blended everything out and everything was even, like to my skin tone. But I think this is like, the yellow is way more than my skin tone. Yeah, it really have a yellow undertone, and as you can see I still have more acne. So this is a medium coverage, so I applied this second one on my face, another pump, like just 2 pumps on my face, and kept on blending because I have dark acne on my face. I kept on blending it out to see if it's gonna cover, but since this is a medium coverage, I'm not too sure it's gonna cover my dark spots. Yeah guys, so I just kept on blending. Why this Maybelline has like a white undertone, while the marykay has like a yellow undertone. Definitely guys, you guys will know. Like there's a big difference guys. I don't know if it's coming up on the camera, but for me there's a big difference. Here it's yellow, goldish kind of vibe. Right here is like white vibe is giving me here. This is second pump I'm applying. So the two of them, that is to say, you need 2 pumps for the two of them. Yes, this is something. It's very different. I don't know if it's coming up on that, on the, this is marykay and this is Maybelline. I think I'll do a comparison with Maybelline and MAC. Yeah, that'll be my next one. medium coverage. Why Maybelline said it's full coverage. Yeah, it was full coverage up to 2 hours wear, and this two medium coverage. Okay, so medium coverage, I understand because I can still see some black spot. Then they said this is coverage, but it's not giving me full coverage because I can still see spots on my face. So I don't know. Alright, so I'm going to apply my conceal, contour, everything, and I'll be right back. I'm done concealing. I use Elegant Pro. Like I just love that Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Foam. Then I'm going to contour with the same Elegant Pro in a darker shade. So guys, I'm setting my face with my NARS setting. Is it setting or baking powder in the color 2? Yes, then I'll allow that to bake. And yeah guys. finished look. Yeah guys, so this is the end of the look. Please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notification when I upload a new video, and also like, share, and comment. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.